A gang is a group of good friends or family with identifiable leadership and internal organization, identifying with or claiming control over territory in a community, and engaging either individually or collectively in illegal or violent behavior. We're going to talk about two gangs that are the most known African American gangs in the United States of America, the Crips and the Blood. They actually started to grow in the 60s when the Black Panthers and other African American gang had many problems, so it broke down, and many young people liked the idea of forming a gang. And that's when it appeared these two gangs that are actually right now they have problems. Crips are an African American gang that started in the late 60s and was developed in Compton jurisdiction. The Crips expanded from a miniature LA gang to be a cross country organization and through California. They identify themselves by some symbols with their hands forming the letter C, and they also use the color blue. They have a special activity that is called cripping, a name to the assault, the killing, and dealing and with drugs that they do. The members go through the ages of 14 to 30 years old. Crips don't die, they multiply. Their gang is a family, and they will die for it.
Well, the Bloods are another African American gang that is located in LA, California. As every gang, they have their symbols. The Bloods are identified by the word blood with their fingers. They call themselves by blood, yo blood, and what's up blood. When talking to each other, Bloods refer to each other as Crip Killers, CK. They are identified by the color red.
The Crips and the Bloods are seen in the majority of states and their jail population. There are essential hundreds of sets of individuals gangs under the primary Blood and Crip name. New York is among the ones of the biggest cities in the United States flooded with Bloods.
The Hells Angels. They are a one percenter gang. One percenter is a patch that they wear on the jackets because the 1% of the population are outlaws. The gang is formed predominantly by white male. Their motto is, "We do right, nobody remembers. When we do wrong, nobody forgets." They were founded by a group of World War II veterans in 1948. They use denim jackets with the logo and insignia in it. They have different ranks inside the gang, although the ranks are not publicly known. They have been involved in various illegal acts, but the gang does not take legal responsibility for the conduct, just the ones that were in the crime. Some of these illegal conducts have been robbing, shootings, drug dealing, extortion, and prostitution. Some of the Vagos. They are a one-percenter gang founded in 1965. They started after watching veterans ride their bikes after World War II. Their logo is based on the Norse god Loki, the trickster god, who is holding the name while riding a bike. Their motto is, "We give what we get." They are said to have 4,000 members. They have also been associated with crime. In the late 1960s, 4 Vagos members were arrested for murdering 2 university students.
Llegaron los vagos guapos.